Solution of x cube minus 8, or it can be described and find the cube roots of 8. Here x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. X cube 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to x cube, 2 cube, minus 2 cube is equal to 0. Here if a cube minus b cube, then a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here now we will apply this formula on our equation. Here a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. So we will apply this. X cube minus 2 cube will be equal to x minus 2 into x square plus 2 into x plus 2 square. It will be equal to x minus 2 x square plus 2x plus 4. Here we know that x cube minus 2 cube is equal to 0. So we have calculated it. X minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here two cases arise, implies that x minus 2 is 0 or x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. From here we will get x is equal to 2. This is one solution of our equation. No other two will be found from this equation. This is quadratic. It has no factorization, so we will use quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 4. Quadratic formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here b is equal to 2 minus 2 plus minus 2 square minus 4 into 4. After putting the values of a, b and c over 2 into 1 minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 16 dividing by 2. X is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 16 is equal to minus 12 square root over 2 into 1 2, where 12 is equal to can be written as 4 into 3 or 2 into 2 into 3, 2 square into 3, minus 2 plus minus minus 1 into 2 square into 3. In multiplication, if x into y square root, so we can write x square root into y square root. X minus 2 plus minus minus 1 square root into 2 square root into 3 square root. As we know that minus 1 square root is equal to I, minus 2 plus minus I, 2 square root 2 into 3 square root dividing by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus minus I, 2 square root and square root will be equal to 2 2 into 3 square root dividing by 2 x. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 square root into iota. By taking common 2, this is cancelled. Minus 1 plus minus 3 square root into I. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 3 square root into I. X is equal to minus 1 minus 3 square root into I. These two values are imaginary. We have one real root and the other two are imaginary. And one root which we have found earlier is equal to 2. Hope so you like my video. Please subscribe my channel.